You've got mail. Okay, today I'm just gonna show you, I purchased this new mailbox. It's a larger size, made out of plastic. This is the brand name here. And apparently it's made in USA. I hope starting to get more mail and stuff like that. So my other mailbox was not looking too good, so I got this larger capacity one. It's actually 12.4 inches wide, 21 inches deep, and a little bit. So, you know, it's plastic, and there's some minor assembly. You just have to hook up this little yellow thing. But I'll show you how to do that, and apparently you can buy a post kit with it too, but normally you just get the mailbox. If you want to post, you have to usually get all that yourself. But they have some accessories that you can look at. They give some instructions on how to mount it. So I'm going to show you how I'm mounting mine. And it's already out of the box. I'm just going to get over to the my post that I have out front. Show you how I mounted this thing on. Yeah, just some, I think it's some good information if you've never done this before. So anyways, hang on. We'll go out. You've got mail. But what if I don't want any mail? Oh yeah. Take your top. How about a side slap? Okay, I have a 2x4 here, and I need, in my case, I need two 18-inch pieces. All will be revealed. We'll show you how this is all going to work out. So I'm going to cut my first one. So in addition, I'm going to need two more 11-inch pieces, and I'm going to make a 11-inch shim. All will be explained. Okay, so it's winter time. My post is not straight up and down, so that's why I cut this piece, because I want to make a shim so it would level the mailbox, because the post is leaning that way. So before I put this on, you should pre-drill the holes, which we'll do. There. Put a couple of screws in. It's like a goose extravaganza going on over there. I don't know if you can hear them. So we'll get these screws in. All right. And now I need to get a little bit of height on the mailbox so it would conform to the standards. I think it's around 42 inches is what you need from the ground up to the base of the mailbox. So I added this one in here. All right, next step. So you might be asking, why did I cut these other ones? Well, it's just for stability because the bottom of the mailbox edges will run along here. So we need these on. So again, the reason I put these on is because I added this extra 2x4 up here. And so the base of the mailbox will sit on the sides here. So, and then we just need to line this up so it's sitting on there nice. Maybe pull back a bit. And then what we have to do, put a few screws in the sides here. And these ones you don't need to put in super tight. So there's the first one. I don't know, I'm guessing we'll probably put 3 in. Yeah, all we can really do is about 3 on each side. Oop, wrong spot. There we go. Woo! Oh, and so how it operates. So of course you have your flag here, right? Normally this, come over here, this yellow thing, if it's in the down position, so if someone delivers some mail, it comes up and it stays up. So you know you have some mail in the mailbox. So it's kind of like a fail-safe. You'll always know if there's some mail. Okay, and that concludes the video. Thanks for watching, and like, subscribe. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.
Like this?
Yeah.